In today's digital age, the internet has become an essential part of our lives. However, while it offers many benefits and possibilities, the internet also comes with certain risks, especially when it comes to children. Using the Safari browser on Apple devices to protect your children from potentially inappropriate content and unwanted online interactions, it is important to set specific restrictions on the Safari browser. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up restrictions on the Safari browser to ensure a safe and appropriate browsing experience for your children. Whether you want to block certain websites, limit browsing options, or prevent access to specific content, these steps will help you gain control over the Safari browser. Before we begin, it is important to note that these features and settings are only available on Apple devices such as the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Additionally, please be aware that this tutorial provides basic guidelines which may vary depending on the version of the operating system you are using. Make sure you have updated software to access all the functions and options we will describe. The first step is to open the settings on your phone. After that, click on the Screen Time option. Once the Screen Time page opens, click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the option for Content Restrictions. Click on it. In the middle of the screen, click on the option for Web Content. On this page, you will see different options. The default option is usually unrestricted, which means there are no specific restrictions in place. However, if you want to restrict certain content, you can select Limit Adult Websites. Under Limit Adult Websites, you have the ability to customize the restrictions. Further, you can choose to always allow certain websites or never allow others. This is particularly useful for blocking adult content, but you can also use it to restrict access to specific websites, like Facebook or gaming websites. To add specific websites, click on Allowed Websites. You will find a list of default websites that you can add. Or you can click on Add Website to manually enter the URLs of the websites you want to allow. Any other website that is not on the allowed list will be restricted and inaccessible. By setting these content restrictions, you can ensure a safer browsing experience for your kids or anyone else using Safari on the phone. That's it for this video.